Angela's Ashes, a memoir, is a 1996 memoir written by Frank McCourt, which details his childhood growing up in poverty in Limerick, Ireland. The book is divided into 3 parts, and covers the years from McCourt's birth in Brooklyn, New York in 1930 to his departure from Ireland in 1949. The first part of the book takes place in Brooklyn, where McCourt's parents, Malachy and Angela, are struggling to make ends meet. The family is plagued by poverty, disease, and death, and they ultimately decide to return to Angela's hometown of Limerick, Ireland. The second part of the book takes place in Limerick, where the family settles into a small house in a poor neighborhood. McCourt's father, Malachy, is an alcoholic who is unable to hold down a steady job, leaving Angela to support the family on her own. The family struggles to make ends meet, and they are plagued by hunger, illness, and death. Despite the difficult circumstances, McCourt's mother, Angela, tries to instill a sense of hope and joy in her children. The final part of the book takes place when McCourt is older, and he begins to work and save money in order to leave Ireland. He gets a job as a teacher, but eventually he realizes that the only way out of poverty is to leave Ireland and go to America. The memoir is a powerful and moving account of McCourt's childhood, and it is a vivid portrayal of the poverty and hardship that was an everyday reality for many Irish families during this time period. The book is also a tribute to the resilience and strength of McCourt's mother, Angela, who tried to make a better life for her children despite the difficult circumstances. The book is written in a unique style, with McCourt's use of humor, irony, and vivid imagery creating a powerful and memorable narrative. In summary, Angela's Ashes, a memoir, is a powerful and moving memoir that details the author's childhood growing up in poverty in Limerick, Ireland. The book is a poignant and vivid portrayal of the poverty and hardship that was an everyday reality for many Irish families during this time period, as well as a tribute to the resilience and strength of the author's mother, Angela. The book's unique style, with its use of humor, irony, and vivid imagery, creates a powerful and memorable narrative.